The person who invented the contactor is really a genius. As a common switch controller in electrical engineering, how does it open and close the circuit breaker by controlling the circuit? First, input power will connect the circuit breaker to L1, L2, and L3 of the contactor. On the opposite side, you can see T1, T2, and T3 contacts. They are directly connected to the load device, which is a three-phase motor as shown in the picture. A1 and A2 are the connecting contacts of the contactor coil. They are used to control the contactor, so if we want to engage or disengage the contactor, we need to use the two contacts A1 and A2. Assume that the control voltage of this contactor is 240 V. In other words, if we connect the input voltage to the A1 and A2 contacts, then this coil will generate a magnetic field. When the coil generates a magnetic field, it will attract the moving iron core in the center and cause the switch contacts to close. Then the current will be transmitted to the load device. So how does this happen? First, connect it to one of the phases through a unipolar circuit breaker. When you open this circuit breaker, the power will be output and go through the stop button, so the stop button is inside the contactor. It has a long arm that is normally closed. When the stop button is pressed, the power is cut off from there and goes to the start button, which is normally open. When you press the start button, it switches the contact to closed, so the power comes out of the start button and goes to A1 of the coil contact. The other wire of the circuit breaker is connected to A2, so the coil will get current and create a magnetic field. Due to this magnetic field, the movable iron core above is attracted to the fixed iron core below and moves downwards, causing this contact to close and the current to be transferred to the load device. When you release your finger from the start button, it will cut the phase wire. Once the power is cut off, the coil will lose its magnetic field and the movable iron core will move upwards under the force of the spring. The contactor will be detached and the load device will stop running. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about the contactor and how it works. If you did, please give it a like, comment, share, and follow me for more videos like this. Thank you for watching and have a great day.